it was Sue Hennessy who said it would be a good idea, Janet, to make a video of slow stitch on the go. And I thought, oh yes, that really would be an idea. I think Sue was going on holiday and wanted some ideas of something she could do while she was travelling and at her friends. So I have made up a little slow stitch kit here, just to pop in my bag. I'm going to make some of the little clusters. I've got some bits to go on the top, some small bits of fabric to build up the clusters, needles, buttons and scissors. Very light, so it can come around with me today when we're out and about. Come and join me. Welcome to the hashtag Crafty Clusters collab, organised by Sue Hiles Art. Oh, I'm at the river and I found someone else that's sewing. Oh, what are you up to?
So this is a project I've been doing this weekend. I'm stitching, I've walked the Wandle Trail and I'm stitching sort of the kind of textures and sort of what I see in my kind of immediate vicinity.
Oh wow.
So this is the and then all through the different parks, Morton Hall Park and Ravensbury Park. And then finished off in Carshalton yesterday. And now I've started again and I'm just going to stitch this section through Beddington Park.
Ah, that's wonderful. I can see your walking boots. Walking and sewing. This is incredible.
Absolutely.
This is just what I've been, what I'm going to do today. But I'm not doing something so... This is embroidery, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh,
I can even see that you've been embroidering on your jacket. This is, oh my goodness.
That was a stitch practice from sort of several years ago.
Oh, you're amazing. It's very peaceful. Sewing outside. Oh, just snip some little bits and pieces here. The theme this week, if you want to follow along, is making tiny clusters. You can make them out of paper, fabric, paper and fabric.
Yeah, I do a bit carefully now.
I'm just going to put together what comes to hand, really. Just making up maybe one more piece, maybe a darker piece here. Hi, good morning. I'm going to put that darker piece just there like that. Very simple. Are you ready? Let's find a little embellishment to go on the top. Green, no. Oh, I think I'm going to use this little houses ribbon. That's really cute. It's got a little streak, little mini. That's really lovely, like a little mini street. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. I'm going to get my needle out. This was Carmen's idea to wind it round like this, so it doesn't get all tangled. There we are. And this is slow stitching, not embroidery. just any stitch goes. Big, small, for beginners, for people that just want to relax and take it easy. Do you want me to throw that ball again, Freddie? Ready? Ready? All sewn on now, just roughly. Going to choose a little button now. Got these little mother of pearl ones because they're nice and flat. They tend to post nice and flat. Mail, go through the mail nice and flat. Get another needle out, some blue thread this time. And simply sew the button on there, and I've got a cluster, a tiny cluster. There we are. I'm going to tie it so I can leave the threads loose. And there I have my first cluster. Don't tell Fred, but we're going up to London later, so he won't be able to come, so hopefully I'm going to wear him out at the river. Just a little bit of marmalade toast to refuel, and then off we go again. I'm at the V&A Museum. I'm in their little garden, their courtyard garden. It's stopped raining, and we've just been to the Alice in Wonderland exhibition. Wow, and I'm going to create a little mini cluster while I'm here. Gorgeous. It just so happens I have some, ooh, look at this. I have some tea party fabric. Let's pop that there. Wonderful. Here's my little tea party fabric. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'm simply going to sew that together and call that another small cluster. I'll probably put a button on or some beads later when I get home. But I'll sew it together just now. Actually, I think I might put another button on. Let me show you. Let me show you the gardens. Actually, Katie, when we go over the river, I want to show people the river.
Yeah, we can
Just making another little cluster here. I'm running out of material that I put by. Oh, tie-dyed. Let's put that there.
The next station is Clapham Junction. Please keep your bags and personal belongings with you at all times. If you see something that doesn't look right, report it to a member of staff.
Do you know, I just like it like that.
British Transport Police.
I love that.
101.
What is it? It's a little button.
They're called clusters. Yeah. So you can put them on journals. You could
Maybe
put it on a
this.
brooch pin. Oh, no, that's from a sari.
Oh, cool.
Sari, yeah. I'm just going to sew this on. So you can, if you get a table, you can sew on the go on the train. I did wonder. Yeah, both ways. Yeah. Got someone to help me today. And home for a nice cup of tea. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to follow the links down below in the description box for more clusters.